These are my gorgeous little acorn fall cupcakes. Everything you'll need is shown in this picture. Nilla wafers, frosting, cake mix, Hershey almond kisses, chocolate chips, and Heath toffee bits. Special note, grab the almond kisses. They're much better than the normal kisses. That crunch from the almond makes the cupcakes so much better. Set your oven to 350 and then follow the directions on whatever cupcake mix box you got. Special note on the eggs, always crack them in a separate bowl. This way, if you get a little piece of shell, it's easier to pull out. If you have a bad egg, you can deal with it without having to throw everything away. I like to line everything up ahead of time, so I grab however many acorns I'm going to make, and so if I'm making 12 acorns, I'll put out 12 pieces of Nilla wafers, 12 Hershey almonds, 12 chocolate chips. After I've got everything laid out, I take a little dollop of frosting and I put it on the Nilla wafer, a little dollop of frosting on the chocolate chip, and I basically glue them to the Hershey Kiss. And what you're left with is a little tiny acorn. After that, you frost the cupcake after it's cooled and place the acorns right on top of the cupcake. And then sprinkle them with the toffee bits. You can also use peanuts or almonds, any crushed nut. That'll basically look the same and taste great. So there you go. That's how you make my fall acorn cupcakes. Enjoy!